Hi friends, in the previous session we have discussed how to install Python interpreter in your Windows PC or laptop. In this session we are going to discuss how to assign a value to a variable in Python and rules for naming a variable in Python. Please subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed. Watch this complete video without skipping anything. Okay, let's go to the topic. As in this session discussing about the topic variables in Python, you will get one doubt first. What is meant by variable? Variables are containers for storing data values. Generally, in other programming languages, we have to declare variable to the data type if we assign a value to the variable. But in Python, no need to declare a variable. Automatically, Python can understand the data type after we assign a value to the variable. While naming a variable, need to follow some rules. Otherwise, you will get syntax errors while executing a program. Okay, let's discuss rules one by one to a name variable in Python. First one is variable name must start with a letter or underscore character, and variable name cannot start with a number. So variable name can contain either alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive, means if you take a variable A and if you take another variable capital A. So small a and capital A both are different. A variable name cannot be any of the predefined Python keywords. Now we can see one example in Python interpreter. Okay, so I will take one example like myvar equal John, means I am assigning a John string to myvar. Myvar is a variable with all small letters, so Python is accepting this variable name. And I will take another example, to myvar equal John, means John is a string I am assigning to a variable to myvar, but the variable name will not be accepted by Python because this variable name is started with 2. Okay, I think you understood the difference between myvar and to myvar. So if any variable, if it is started with number in the name, it will not be accepted by Python. You will get syntax error. Okay guys, thank you. I think you understood. Please subscribe and support us. In another session, we will discuss about data types. Thank you. Hi friends, in the previous session, we have discussed how to install Python interpreter in your Windows PC or laptop. In this session, we are going to discuss